Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to hide community chat on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the three dashboard available in the top left corner. Now you can see communities option available there. Then simply tap on the edit option right next to communities to edit the communities or remove the communities. After you tap on the edit option, you will get to see checkbox option available there. If you disable the checkbox option and simply tap on the done on the top right corner, then your community will be hidden. Now you can see there is no list or there is no option available of communities, or you can simply go to the communities chat and mute the chat. So that it is, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.